In tarot, the Empress card bears the number 3. On a spiritual and esoteric levels, this card depicts the ultimate stage that can be reached by the divine feminine. Once it has fully developed thanks to the skills and knowledge absorbed and applied during the magician and high priestess phases that came before it. When upright, this card indicates a high potential for creativity and access to valuable resources to fulfill one's desires. The card can either refer to the person you are reading for, especially if it is an adult woman, in which case this woman is at a point in her life where she understands her true worth and expresses her feminine powers and attributes with serenity and generosity. Upright, it is an indicator of high self-esteem in a woman, if not the inquirer herself, then some woman around her, a mother, a nurturing motherly figure, or even a sister. In any case, this woman is an embodiment of beauty, joy, sensuality, vitality, fertility, creativity, and abundance. In a love reading, if the person asking is a woman and this card comes out upright, it can show that she is ready and willing to offer herself to a potential partner with sincerity and feels safe to allow him access to her feminine energy. Or depending on the sexual orientation of the inquirer, it could refer to the woman of their dreams, the ideal female mate, perceived as the perfect wife and mother. The card signals a good time for some sweet, sensual loving, and is auspicious for a stable, mature relationship. No wonder the card is associated with Venus in astrology. When it comes to health, this card is indicative of good self-care, physical and emotional well-being, and strong fertility. If the reading is about that, this card is the best omen for conceiving and usually signals a strong desire to have a baby. In business, it can indicate to fruitful investments and deals that serve the interest of all stakeholders. In terms of timing, this card usually points to the spring and early summer, when nature is blooming in full force. Reversed, the Empress card can mean toxic codependency, especially in relationships. One of the partners, usually a woman, is either being immature or held under the domination of the other. Or, if the inquirer is seeking a woman, they might be too demanding and need to get more realistic with their fantasies and expectations. One may be seeking a version of an idealized woman that is unlikely to exist in this day and age, or looking to be mothered by her in an inappropriate way. If they're already seeing a woman, she might either be immature or acting like a mother instead of a partner. Whether the reading has to do with romantic relationships or not, this card reversed may signal a female enemy and upcoming disputes or disagreements with her. Someone with a nasty tendency to badmouth or spread false rumors, or someone out to destroy a stable couple. It could also refer to a smothering mother or mother-like figure, mother-in-law or grandmother, who is blocking the growth of others around her by being overly protective, invasive, and overbearing. If the reading is not about relationships, it can mean aborted creative projects, inability to make one's plans grow and bear fruits, a lack of or stunted creativity. The person has a hard time reaching their goals and making their dreams come true due to low self-esteem, fear, repression, or oppression of feminine energies, which then leads to financial difficulty and scarcity of resources. When it comes to health, the Empress reversed warns about burnout due to overwork, lack of energy and vitality that leads to depression and stagnation in life, which may even affect physical appearance. Either the person feels ugly or are led to believe that they are by people mocking their style or looks, or they are unable to beautify themselves due to lack of resources, time, or energy. Depending on the context, it can also mean fertility issues, trouble conceiving naturally, a problematic pregnancy, a risk of miscarriage or a past one, a pregnant woman considering abortion, or even sterility, or simply no desire or fear and rejection of pregnancy and motherhood. In business dealings, this card reversed may warn about blocked negotiations or transactions, sterile projects, bad investments, dead money, negative returns, or capital loss.